Hey guys, this is Jason, Jp3motorsports, giving you guys a quick update. Thanks to our good friend Tony, he let us borrow his right-hand drive FD to do some prototyping for the AC system for the right-hand drive Greddy Vmount setup. So here it is. From the evaporator, just to show you, we have the, this car does not have ABS, but I have the ABS bracket mocked up just to show that it does fit with the ABS in place if you do still have ABS. So if I take that out, just to show you the lines, so coming off the evap, then we have the ports, high and low side. The top number 10 line runs straight to the compressor down here, and number 6 high side runs right down here underneath the crossbar, coming back up, and then right to the condenser. And we have the binary switch there as well, and we also include the P-clamp to hold it to the frame rail, make sure it doesn't move. And we also include the binary switch with the harness, and you can see here the harness runs underneath, it's tucked in, and then you see it plugged into the OEM harness. We also have the line from the condenser to the compressor right over there, nice and simple. And we have the compressor mounted with our adapter brackets as well. So this is the complete kit for the right-hand drive FDs with the Greddy Vmount setup. So we're going to be posting these up on the website soon for pre-order, and then we're going to start production run soon. I will be posting another video which shows how to determine, there's going to be 2 different style evaporators that you're going to have to determine what you have, and I'll show you how to figure out what you have so you know what to order. All right, see you on the next one.